Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We boarded our flight from Chandigarh airport to Male. We had a layover in Mumbai of about 1 hour because Chandigarh se unfortunately there was no flight direct to Male. Then Male में लैंड करने के बाद आपकी जो प्रॉपर्टी के लोग हैं they will come to pick you up. Then after that they'll check the weight of your luggage. And for the seaplane there is a limit of 25 kgs per person including the hand baggage. Then we waited in the lounge for our seaplane. So हमारे flight arrival और seaplane के boarding time में around like 2 hours का difference था. So we had to wait for 2 hours. So if you want to save this time, आप पहले ही अपनी प्रॉपर्टी से कोऑर्डिनेट कर सकते हो कि उनके सीप्लेन बोर्डिंग टाइम्स क्या हैं बिकॉज दिन में लिमिटेड सीप्लेन चलते हैं तो आप अपनी फ्लाइट उस अकॉर्डिंग शेड्यूल कर सकते हो सो दैट आपका ये वेटिंग टाइम हमारी तरह ना हो. Finally the seaplane arrived. Also one more thing is they are very strict with the luggage का weight because हमें लगा था hand luggage का weight कौन ही check करता है but they did check it and we also had to pay extra. So luggage plus your main luggage should be less than 25. The views was just so stunning. I mean, the whole journey, it was just so beautiful. बहुत सारे islands थे रास्ते में and सारे islands were so pretty.
Welcome to Ferrari. Welcome to Ferrari Maldives.
We booked Ferrari Islands and वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद उन्होंने हमें एक island का tour दिया. Island was very pretty, I must say. After that, we checked into a beautiful room. So we booked water villa for our stay, and the view from the room was just so beautiful. I mean, I just love blue waters, and it was just amazing. They also have other options like beach villas and regular villas, which are a bit cheaper than the water villas, of course. So, based on your preference, you can book your stay. हम लोग आते ही पूल में चले गए बिकॉज वी वर सो टायर्ड एंड वी वर लाइक व्हाट्स बेटर देन चिलिंग इन द पूल सो हमने काफ़ी देर तक देन पूल में चिल किया एंड यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द व्यू वाज. इट वाज सो ब्यूटिफुल. देन वी गॉट रेडी एंड वेंट टू द मेन रेस्टोरेंट टू ईट समथिंग बिकॉज हम दोनों को बहुत भूख लग रही थी. उसके बाद हमने वॉलीबॉल भी खेला. वी जस्ट जॉइन दीज पीपल. Then we just simply enjoyed this beautiful sunset. Then we went to this beach party, but we both were too tired to dance, so हमने बस बैठ के chill किया. And उसके बाद ये fire show देखा. Honestly, it was pretty average because हमने इससे काफ़ी better fire shows देखे हुए हैं, but still it was overall kind of decent. And that's how we ended our day one. And next day we woke up to this beautiful view. So we booked Sunrise Water Villa. In Maldives, we do have multiple options like Sunset Water Villa, Sunrise Water Villa. So we booked Sunrise Water Villa for ourselves. Waking up to this beautiful view, it was so therapeutic and so satisfying and relaxing every day. Then we went for our breakfast buffet. यहाँ का खाना was amazing. I mean, veg, non-veg, इतनी variety थी and everything in veg was so delicious.
कितना खाना वेस्ट करते हो? सिर्फ दो दो प्लेट लिए, जूसेस लिए, ये लिए, हे भगवान, चार चीजें वेस्ट किए इस लड़के ने।
So if you're a vegetarian, you don't need to worry. The options are unlimited. Then काफी overeat करने के बाद हम ready हुए and beach पर चले गए.
ले लो।
तो हमारे पैकेज में अनलिमिटेड फूड एंड ड्रिंक्स का ऑप्शन था. तो पूरे आइलैंड के किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में जाकर we could just eat and everything was covered in a package. That was the best part. We booked our package from Tabish. I have linked down his number below. Maldives के sunsets are so beautiful. So Maldives में you also have the option to get snorkeling gears from the reception and it's free of cost. So since the water villa is connected directly to the ocean, तो आप snorkeling gears लेकर सीधा जा सकते हो. So we both went for snorkeling the next day because मुझे scuba try करने से पहले थोड़ा सा comfortable होना था with the water. Then we rented bicycles for that day to explore the island. And it costed us about $12 per bicycle. And it was a pretty cool and chilling experience. Then the same day we went for a ferry ride जहाँ पर वो आपको फिशिंग वगैरह के लिए लेके जाते हैं प्लस डॉल्फिन देखने के लिए लेके जाते हैं. उस दिन I forgot to vlog much. So we came back, we enjoyed the beautiful sunset, काफ़ी chill किया, बहुत ही सुंदर like scenic view था. We were just chilling there and वहीं पर ही एक corner में there was a restaurant which was very famous for the sunset point. उसके लिए you have to pre-book. So we pre-booked it. Next day हमको slot मिला था for the sunset point. So if you see there, like at the corner, this was the restaurant. So यहाँ पर we went there for the sunset. We enjoyed, had a candlelight dinner. It was very romantic and beautiful. Then next day we had to pack our stuff because we were moving to another island. So our stay at Parauri was over. Then we quickly had our breakfast. We honestly मेरा बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं कर रहा था यहाँ से जाने का, but unfortunately we had to. We boarded a seaplane, and the property only will drop you back to the Mali airport. So everything is covered in the package. I would recommend you to go for a package only because seaplane to and fro, hotel stays, food, drinks, everything is included in the package. And if you try to book everything separately, it will definitely cost you extra. So package is a cheaper option, I would say. Then airport से हमने ली ferry and ferry was so fast. मतलब it was very very scary.
This could be our last video.
And next day के लिए हमने काफ़ी adventurous activities book की हुई थी and scuba diving was one of them. I was pretty nervous but excited too.
डर लग रहा है इसको सुबह से पहले। Yeah, you can do it. That's the spirit. Mountain Dew. डर के आगे जीत है।
Then I jumped into the water. सबसे पहले आपका ट्रेनर आपको surface पे थोड़ा बहुत comfortable करवाएंगे water से and कुछ actions बताएंगे like whenever the water gets inside your mask और low pressure feel हो आपको ears में pain feel हो. So what all actions you need to do so that your trainer can understand and help you out if needed. Initially I panicked a little but then I calmed myself. Later on, I saw these beautiful, beautiful fishes. Oh my god, the view was just amazing. I was just mind blown by the beauty inside. These cute, cute turtles, fishes, the beautiful reef. It was just so beautiful. I can't express in words. It was totally, totally worth it. It's honestly once in a lifetime experience, and everybody should try it. I did it! Yes!
बस बच गए जनता बच गई जनता
गुड यार, अच्छा है। अब जितना डर लगा था उतना स्केल नहीं लगा।
सांस ली गई
Then we went for parasailing and काफी हाइट पर लेके जाते हैं वो आपको एंड पूरा आइलैंड का व्यू दिखता है। तो काफी अच्छा रिलैक्सिंग एक्सपीरियंस था। Then later in the evening, my husband planned a surprise date for me by the sunset. And because I just love sunsets, I'm a huge sunset lover. We had such a good time, and also it was our last day of the trip. So we stayed for 3 days in Furavari Water Villa and 2 days in this another island, which was quite beautiful as well. Overall, it was a very, very amazing experience, I would say. Then we took our ferry to the airport and we were heading back to Bangalore. And yes, he's doing the husband duties as usual. And that's how Harshit's friend welcomed us. Thanks for watching.